Welcome to London Kids Academy.
When the moon shines bright and the stars glow red, a friendly monster wakes under my bed. He hums a sleepy song so soft and low, and fills my room with a gentle glow. He sweeps the toys and tidies the floor, quietly tiptoeing to my little drawer. He catches nightmares with a butterfly net, so I dream happy dreams, the best ones yet. Then he tucks me in and pats my head. Sleep tight, he whispers, and slips under the bed.